If the cigarette lighter, 12-volt power outlets, or USB charging ports in your 2014 to 2018 Ram 1500 stopped working, the problem can be just a simple fuse. Here is every fuse you need to check first. First, locate your main fuse box under the hood, right next to the battery. Just press the tabs on the sides of the cover to lift it off. Now, let's check the power outlet fuses. Check fuse F93, a 20-amp yellow fuse that feeds power directly to the front cigarette lighter socket. Next, check fuse F104, another 20-amp yellow fuse that powers the 12-volt power outlets on your instrument panel and inside the center console. And finally, check fuse F91/F92. This is a 20-amp yellow fuse that controls power to the rear seat power outlet. Did one of these fuses fix your Ram 1500 power outlet? Drop a comment down below letting me know which slot was blown.